there is a shield. Sentinel post-quantum defense.
Lattice-based cryptography. Math so complex, even qubits get lost.
TradingMaster AI implements the front line of PQC standards, protecting your transactions from the subatomic offensive. Agility is survival, moving your assets to the safe harbor. Validated resilience, integrity that spans across eras. Your data is no longer a target, it's a fortress. The end of the harvest trap, no signal left exposed.
Taking back control of your mathematical destiny.
Building the global network of quantum-safe finance. Neutralizing the threat before it hits the market. Certified transparency in a world of quantum shadows. PQC standards verified by Sentinel. The path to financial sovereignty is clear.
Empowering the individual against the machine. Find your way through the quantum dark. Adapting to the future before it arrives.
Encryption agility, high. The beauty of secure logic.
The heart of the resilient exchange.
Welcome to the post-quantum era.
Your journey begins now. Reclaiming your future.
Holding the key to the new alpha. The treasure is secure. The foundation is rebuilt.
Integrity restored. The dawn of intelligence.
Precision protection.
The return of human trust.
Security agnostic. Safe in any state.
Your guardian.
The math of peace. Enter future, the future.
The harbor is reached. Welcome home.
Don't trust. Verify. The heartbeat of the Sentinel.
The resilient world.
Status. Protected. No more fear. Seeing clearly.
Sustainable wealth. The light of truth.
Trading with the edge. Alpha level. Optimal.
Integrity in every trade.
The DNA of security.
The engine of trust.
Keep your edge. Stay sharp.
Peace of mind. Phase 6. The Quantum Dawn.